Our firm handles all different types of wrongful death cases. Losing a loved one can be a traumatic and devastating experience, especially if that loss could have been prevented. The wrongful death statute in Maryland is very specific. The damages that you can get primarily consist of grief. There's a statutory scheme for wrongful death cases as to who is entitled to make that claim for grief. A companion type case that is usually brought along with a wrongful death case is what we call a survival action. The survival action primarily consists of conscious pain and suffering from the date of injury until the date of death. It also may consist of medical bills. It may consist of final burial expenses as well. There are many different types of wrongful death cases. For example, some that I've handled over the years, one specifically involved a young lady who was walking along a beach and a cliff was next to her and the cliff caved in. The community knew about the safety issues involving the cliff, and we did take that. It finally did settle just before trial. Another example of a wrongful death that I recently handled was an elderly woman who was walking in a parking lot and got run over by a tractor trailer who was delivering goods to one of the local commercial establishments in the shopping center. Again, I've had cases in the past where a child, for example, was killed in a foster home situation. These are all very difficult cases. They're complex cases, and they require a lot of experience to take them from beginning to end and obtain an appropriate result. Some other examples of wrongful death cases that can be handled might involve auto, truck, or motorcycle accidents. It might involve medical malpractice, an accident on the job, a construction injury, a fire or explosion, a slip and fall case, for example, where someone hit their head and died as a result of a brain hemorrhage, swimming pool accident with a drowning, a defective product. These are all different types of wrongful death cases that the law firm of Foran Foran can handle for you. If you do come to us, you'll see quickly that we have years of experience. We care about our community, as evidenced by what we do in the community in our spare time as well. We want our clients to realize when they walk out of our door that they have got the best result they could have received by excellent representation on their wrongful death case. We will see that you are properly compensated for the wrongful death of a loved one. Contact us today and let us help you.